Welcome friends, in this video I will help you fix Windows 11 clock app not working not opening problem. Step 1. Click Start button. Click Settings. Click Apps. Click Installed Apps. Click Clock. Click Advanced Options. Change to Always. Click Repair to reset. Click Reset. Step 2. Click Search button. Type PowerShell Windows search bar. Ran as administrator. Copy first command description and paste in PowerShell. Copy second command description and paste it. After run command to exit PowerShell. Step 3. Click Start button. Open Microsoft Store. Click Library. Click Update All. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped to you. See you next video. Places subscribe, like and share.